In the darkness of space, mysterious signals occasionally reach us. Some vanish as quickly as they appear, while others leave lasting questions that baffle scientists. What are these signals, and could they be messages from intelligent civilizations beyond Earth? Today, we're taking you on a journey through some of the strangest, most unexplained signals we've ever detected. These aren't just random blips. They're interstellar mysteries that have captivated researchers and sparked debates for decades. Are they cosmic anomalies? Evidence of distant alien technology? Let's explore each of these enigmatic signals to see if we're any closer to unlocking their secrets. We begin with the most famous signal in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, the WOW signal. It was August 15, 1977, at the Big Ear Radio Telescope in Ohio. Suddenly, a signal appeared, and it was unlike anything scientists had observed before. For 72 seconds, the telescope recorded a burst of energy at a frequency of 1,420 megahertz, the hydrogen line, which scientists believe could serve as a universal frequency for communication. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, and it's logical to think that any intelligent civilization might use it as a kind of cosmic language. When astronomer Jerry Amon saw the intensity of this signal, he circled it on the printout and wrote "Wow" in the margin. This moment would become legendary, immortalizing the signal as the WOW signal. It's never been detected again, despite multiple attempts to scan the same region of the sky. Was it a rare natural phenomenon? Or could it have been a one-time message from an intelligent civilization that we just happened to catch? The WOW signal remains one of the most compelling mysteries in our search for alien life. Our next enigma is the phenomenon of fast radio bursts, or FRBs, first discovered in 2007. These are sudden, incredibly intense bursts of radio energy that last only a few milliseconds, but release as much power as hundreds of millions of suns. Imagine energy on that scale, condensed into an instant. To date, we've detected hundreds of FRBs coming from distant galaxies, often billions of light years away. Most FRBs are one-off events, appearing and then disappearing without a trace. But one, called FRB 121102, is a little different. This burst, detected in 2012, repeats itself, and even seems to follow a strange, unpredictable pattern. Some scientists think these bursts might be the result of extreme cosmic phenomena, like neutron stars colliding, while others wonder if they could be intentional signals. After all, if advanced civilizations exist, it's possible they'd use energy at this scale to communicate across galaxies. The truth behind FRBs remains elusive, with scientists racing to collect more data in hopes of understanding what causes these explosive signals. Moving closer to home, we encounter Tabby's star, one of the most unusual stars ever observed. Discovered by astronomer Tabitha Boyajian in 2015, this star, also known as KIC 8462852, is about 1,470 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. Tabby's star doesn't behave like a typical star. It dims unpredictably, sometimes losing up to 22% of its brightness, a level far greater than anything a planet or dust cloud could explain. Initially, researchers thought this was caused by a swarm of comets or an unusually dense dust cloud passing in front of the star, but even this theory has its limitations. Then, an exciting idea was proposed. Could this dimming be caused by an alien megastructure? A giant structure designed to capture the star's energy? Known as a Dyson sphere, this theoretical concept has been popularized in science fiction as a means for advanced civilizations to harness their star's energy. Though this remains speculative, the mystery of Tabby's star has yet to be fully solved, leaving the door open to intriguing possibilities. In 2003, a lesser-known but equally interesting signal, SAGB02+14A, was detected by the SETI at Home project, where thousands of people volunteered their computers to analyze data from radio telescopes. This signal appeared multiple times, coming from an area between the constellations Pisces and Aries. Notably, it was detected around the same hydrogen frequency of 1,420 megahertz that marked the WOW signal. However, SHGB02+14A had a peculiar frequency drift, indicating that it might have come from a moving object. While we might think this suggests a planet or spacecraft, scientists couldn't find a solid explanation. The signal hasn't been detected since, leaving SHGB 02+14a as another mysterious echo from space. Although it hasn't gained the same fame as the WOW signal, it remains a tantalizing clue in our ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. Our final stop takes us to the heart of our own galaxy, the Galactic Center Mystery Signal. In 2020, the Meerkat Radio Telescope in South Africa picked up a series of signals unlike anything scientists had seen before. These signals, designated ASCAP J173608.2-321635, came from the densely packed center of the Milky Way, about 25,000 light-years away. What's unusual is that this signal appears and disappears at random intervals. Known objects like pulsars or stars have predictable behaviors, but this signal seems to break all known patterns. It could be something entirely new, a cosmic object we have yet to classify, or, as some have suggested, it could even be an artificial signal from a civilization located near the galactic core. The Galactic Center Mystery Signal has left scientists puzzled, sparking new interest in exploring the center of our galaxy in greater detail. These 5 signals each represent a piece of a larger puzzle, one that may one day reveal the presence of other intelligent civilizations in the universe. Are we alone? Or are we just beginning to tune in to a cosmic conversation that's been going on for eons? Until we find conclusive answers, these signals remind us of the vast, untapped mysteries of the universe. Each signal draws us closer to the possibility that we are not alone, and the next discovery might be the one that finally changes everything. So, if you're fascinated by these mysteries and want to stay updated on the latest discoveries, be sure to subscribe, keep looking up, and join us as we continue our search for the truth beyond the stars.